Yo, what up, world? It's your boy C's from theclife.com. Welcome back to the people's favorite channel on the internet. Man, so this channel has been getting a little bit more love, which is about time, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the new subscribers. I believe we're at 181 at the time of this recording. So for the new people, let me catch you up, all right, to the saga that is my life. Okay, so this channel, I'm documenting the process, and oh man, like anyway, I want to get to it. There's a lot to cover and a lot to bring you up to speed about. But currently, I'm building an online university where we use universal principles to build generational wealth. So that's what we got going on right now. I'm building out the first course. I actually have the process mapped out into breaking you out of whatever rut, feeling stuck, your entrepreneurship, personal development journey. I finally came across the process model that I've been chasing for the past, man, I don't even want to count how many years I've been chasing this information, but I believe I have a solid grasp on it, and I'm going to keep it 100. I'm going to be studying this forever. You know, this meditation challenge just opened up a whole new world, a whole new portal for me, and it's bringing me so much information that I had inside, and I'm just applying it to this course, actually giving the meat, you know, the thing that and anyway, I'm working on it. Okay, so we're building that out, and I've been able to present this to a few of the trainers that I mentor and some of the trainers that I coach, and this was going to change the game. Okay, results is going to be on overdrive, because man, anyway, shout out to you guys for, you know, tagging along the journey. Whatever questions you guys have, man, let me know. And because we're building like a little study group. Have you ever seen the show Community, where you had all these characters from all walks of life, different backgrounds, ethnicities, genders, just came together to actually get their lives together? This is what I'm building, okay? It's like our bedrock is going to be the universal principles, and we're going to study it and structure it and organize it so that we can break these generational chains, man, because this information only a select few people have. And when I discovered it, I'm like, yo, it's the information was already there, but everybody is saying the exact same thing. And I'm like, yo, are they seeing something that I don't see? And I got it. They weren't seeing it through my lens. So it was for me to actually organize it my way, where I can digest and understand it, right? And then once I understand it, what I'm doing is going around and literally grassroots, like talking to these coaches and like giving them the formula, seeing if it can help them. And it just blew their mind. They was like, my brain hurts. And I was like, I know what's up. Yo, meditation, just like this meditation camp that we started, this the best decision in the world. I'm not even counting the days. It was like a 30-day challenge. I'm not even counting the days anymore, because meditation, all the answers lie there. You know, this is where me and you are connected. We are connected by that imagination, you know, on that subconscious level. So a lot is going to happen. Like if you are stuck financially, with your health, with your relationships, your time, and you need that guidance, yo, pull up. I'm welcoming everyone, man. We got this, yo. We got the formula, and I'm ready. Anyway, I know, for those of you that just came, might be like, yo, whoa, what's this guy talking about? But yo, I've been on this journey for quite some time, man, looking for these answers, yo. So I'm excited. I just can't wait, man. Anyway, hit me down in the comments. Welcome aboard, and I'll see you on the next one. Wait, gotta finish it, man. Don't forget to drink water, get money, mind your business. Peace.